Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn what are the types of loop. So let's get started. Okay. So how many types of loop we have? First we have for loop. Okay. For loop, for loop, then while loop, do while loop, while loop, then for in loop and for off loop. For in loop and for off loop. One more loop is there for each loop. For each loop is not mostly used nowadays. So there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are total 6 type of loop. First we will see the example of for loop. For let I equal to 0, then I is less than and equal to 10, and I plus plus. So it will start from 0 and it will end till 10. Console.log I, console.log I, you have to comment this one. Save this, copy the path, print it here. Go to developer tools. You can see it will print from 0 to 10. It has print from 0 to 10, 0, 1, 2, 3, 9, and 10. Suppose it's not equal to 10. If I will just write I is less than 10 or I and I plus plus. So let's see that. It will print till 9. Let's see another example of this. If I want to show the number in decrement, suppose first I want to show number 10, then 9, 8, 7, 6 goes on. This is example of that. Simply copy and paste it. See. Here I have given for let I equal to 10. So the first value will be 10. No, then if I is greater than or equal to 1, then I minus minus. Let's see the output. You can say 10, 9, 8. If I will write 0 here now, 0, then it will print till 0. Let's see. So here it is incrementing the value. In this example, the value is incrementing by using this means. This is known as increment and this is known as decrement. There are one more thing, that is pre-increment or post-decrement. Pre-increment and pre-decrement. Let me just do this. So it will first increment and then it will show the value like this. Let's see the another example for while loop. While loop. So while I is less than 2, I is if I is less than 2, then print I plus plus console dot log 10. Sorry, I. Here we have to define the I value. I equal to 0. So we will write 10. You can see we are getting double number for okay. We have to comment this. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 till 10. If I will write 0, then it will print from this one. Suppose if I will write here, then it will happen. Then it will start from 0. So here first this value will be 0. 0 is less than 10, yes, so then it will print the value here and then it will increment the value by 1. It will, then the value will be changed to 1, then 2, 3, 4, like that. If I will write this code below, the after the increment, then it will start first increment the value, then it will show print the value in the console.log. Next, next is do while loop. Here it will first check the condition. Means sorry, in do while loop it will not check the condition. It will directly, it will first print the value and then it will check the condition. In while loop it will first check the condition, but in do while loop it will not check the condition. It will first print the value and afterwards it will check the condition. Hmm. I think I'm doing something wrong. External loop to the while loop, for loop, do while loop also we don't not getting that. Wait, this is some syntax. Maybe this correct way. Do then while okay. Here we do. Here we not. Here we don't have to give a bracket. That's all. Correct. I've written the wrong syntax first. We have to give I equal to 0. Okay. Then we, as I've said, that do while loop is not checked. First, it will not check the condition. So here, we will not writing any condition and just printing the value while I is less than 10. Okay. Then here I plus plus console dot log I equal to 0, do, then I let's see, sort it. Close this one, make it here. See, so wait, let's see if we get some here. Okay, we are getting infinite number. Just this one. Connect. See, here I've written I equal to 0 and then I've print the value. If so, here the value is 0. If I will write console log after increment, so after this, it will first increment the value and then it will print the value here. Suppose is 0 now. Let me check one of the example. I is 11. Let's see what we'll get. If I is 11, then what we will get. You can see here the First, first the values get printed. After that, it got rejected here. Do while loop will not check. Do will not check the condition. First, it will first print the value, and afterward, it will check the condition. This is the main difference between while loop and do while loop. Okay, then for in loop. For in loop, I've written something here. In this one, for in loop, then written something for in loop. Yeah, here I've written. So for in loop is used to iterate key value pair or basically or object type. Then in for off loop is used to iterate the value like this. If we have string number in arrays, then we will use for off loop. If we have to iterate the object, then we will use for in loop. It will be so just write this one. Const. Anything you can write. For string, we have to give double quotes. For number, we can just write as it is. Then profile. That's all. Then try to do this. For let sorry. For let words of words. Sorry. Let words of what? Let words in demo. Console dot log your check. For constant for output for let words of words name. Let's see the output. Yes, first we will get the name, then surname, then profile. Let's try this with object, with string. What we will get here. Should I if I will write demo. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I'm just seeing the difference. What will difference if I will use this demo 1. Okay. For of loop, we have to use for of loop. Yeah, you can say it here. Or it is constrained from 0, 1, 2, 3. In for in loop, it is constrained from 0, 1, 2, 3. But in for off loop, the number is from 1, 2, 3, 4. You can say it here. That's difference. The index is starting from 0. However, in for off loop, it's starting from 1. It's also done. Next. Next. For each loop. For each loop, need to check it out. For each loop. For each loop, I think I've written somewhere. I'm not getting this. Yeah, you can see it here. So this is the example of for each loop. Iteration means simply iteration means to check value one by one or each by each. Here I've written a function. Function name is test. I pass some value. Uh, pass some value, but I've not given any value in that. Something is missing here. You have to give some value now. There's something missing. Let's check. Function. Let's see. Something missing. Something is missing. Book is not defined. Book dot for each loop. First we have to define it. So I will write const book equal to 1, comma 4, comma 5, comma 8, comma 9, 6, 7, 10, 6. Okay, check something. Okay, so it's printing the value. It is same as as per the for loop and other loops, but here we have to create a function and in that we have to pass a value. First we have created a array, then we have created a function. In that function, the function name is test. We have passed a value console.log. We have print the value here, and here we have used for each loop and we have passed the function name. Suppose if I will comment this out. Wait a minute. I will comment it out. Test is not defined. Okay, if I will remove test as well, then what we will. Then also we are getting the error. Undefined is function. It's not a function. Okay, so function and test. If I will not pass any value here, then what will happen? Let's see. Do we get any error or blank text? We are not getting anything. Instead of this value, if we will print a book, then what will get? Book. Let's check. Then also we are getting the same output. So it's depend on you. If you want to write value, then you can write it, or you can just pass out the variable name. That's all. Hope you like this video.